Hello students, in our last video, we tried to connect MySQL with Python. And in this video, we'll use some other commands of MySQL. So how to apply those commands? For that, I am opening the same file. Say cn1 was the file. So this was the file. And here, I'll add rest of the statements one by one. So in the previous video, we have applied this connection, and over here the connection is succeeded. This was the local host. Either you write localhost or loopback address, and 12345 was the password of my MySQL. And after this, I had created the cursor so that I can manipulate the records in the memory. And so as soon as I create the cursor, and the next statement is to uh, uh, open the database. So the database name of MySQL was, in this case, is KKSync. So I have opened this database using this. Now the next statement which I am going to try is I am going to fetch all those records which are in student table, तो student table के records को हमने यहाँ display कराना है. So how to fetch all those records? Since this I have to apply SQL statement, so it is the string. So better I directly apply SQL statement in cursor. Rather, I'll store that string into a variable. So st is equal to select all from student. So statement is ready. And after creating this statement, I will have to execute in MySQL. So how to execute this SQL statement in Python? Okay, so what to do here? So I'll apply again cursor. So cursor dot execute and this is statement. So as soon as I execute this statement, it will follow the instruction and it will select all those records which are in student table. So this way I can read all the records which are in student table, and those records will be stored in our cursor because I have used cursor here. And now next turn is to fetch all those records from the cursor and on your console. So how to do it? So this way and this time I'm going to use another function, that is fetch all. So to use fetch all, because I'm going to fetch all those records which are in cursor and store them in a result set variable, that is result. So how to use fetch all? So use cursor dot fetch all, and here the connection is over, SQL statement is over, and fetch all function is I have also applied. And now this time to display all those records which are in results. So for rec records in result and print colon and press enter and simply press print, apply print statement rec. So my code is completed and now I can run it. Save it and run it. So these were the records which are available in student. So this way we executed select statement of MySQL in Python. So hope you like it, and if you like it, kindly share with your friends. So we'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, bye.